2017, when Luca and I decided to solve for farmers, and by starting Thrive Agric, we wanted to solve three key things, right? How do farmers unlock financing? How do farmers get access to the right information? And how can they sell their products? And from 2017 to 2022, we solved it, right? We ended up working with hundreds of thousands of farmers who are now able to access financing through our ecosystem. We're able to get information to improve their production and then also sell their products, right? However, we realized that that challenge was a bit difficult to scale. One thing was the farmers had no identity. They had no things like national government identities, things like BVNs. So even though they were in the Thrive Agric ecosystem and could flourish in our ecosystem, they didn't have access to financial services from the likes of banks, right? In 2022, we spoke to Heifer and we applied to their youth grants to create financial inclusion for our farmers. We're lucky to have won the regional grant for West Africa. And for us, the goal was if we could provide every farmer a national identity, get them an actual bank account and banking, it means that even outside the Thrive Agric ecosystem, these farmers could thrive. It means that beyond the financing we get on our balance sheet, multiple financial organizations can now see these farmers within their own financial framework, and so lending to the farmers can flow. And that's what we started to do since 2023 in partnership with Heifer through the Youth program.
Heifer has been in existence for over 80 years now, and then of course in Africa we have been present in different countries across Africa for the past 50 years, mostly in East Africa and of course in West Africa. In Nigeria, we've just started about 3 years ago program implementation, and those have been very impactful because we believe in leveraging partnership, and those partnerships has been very helpful to us, in what we do, and that is what took us also into what we call AYUTE, which is Agriculture, Youth and Technology. Now, Heifer believes in leveraging technology and youth, for the agricultural transformation that it envisages, that it desires. Not just us, but we know that like-minded organizations also believe in this. And one of those like-minded organizations that we partner with is Heifer Agric, which has been in existence in Nigeria for a while. We believe that with partnership we can achieve the sustainability and scale. That's the only way that we can get what we want and achieve the goal that we've set for ourselves, which is to reach 2 million households by 2030. Technology plays a very significant role in that, in bringing youth into the agricultural or food system generally, and not just any kind of youth, but youth, especially the ones that we have in Nigeria, who are very innovative. They've shown so much of that, but beyond just being innovative, we want them also to thrive, to turn their innovative ideas into businesses, that impact smallholder farmers, who are at the core of what Heifer does. Because whatever it is that our objectives are or goals are, they are directed at smallholder farmers across the nation, irrespective of where they are located, but especially those that are located in rural communities, who are mostly responsible for producing more than 80% of the food that we consume in the country.
So in Africa, we have over 400 million youths that are within the age of 15 to 35. And this is actually a big challenge. And that is why Heifer is deliberately targeting the youth, channeling their energies, making them create solutions for the agricultural sector. Thrive Agric is one of the key beneficiaries of this AYUTE program, and they have actually been very innovative and have been supporting over 125,000 youths to be financially inclusive, providing them with a digital identity to access financial services in Nigeria.
Crust is a tech-enabled financial service company, and we have partnered with Thrive Agric to bank smallholder farmers in underserved communities in northern Nigeria. We are grateful for this privilege, and we are able to do this via our technology called the Green Banker, which allows us to create thousands of accounts in one setting. And thanks to our team for creating this product. And we're privileged to be able to do this and grateful because of the impact of this project. Over 8 states in northern Nigeria, we've been able to provide farmers and people within the farming community access to financial services, allowing them to engage in seamless transactions. They can receive money, they can save, and they can access loans. And this is something that would not have been possible without Tribe Agric and the partnership with Crust.
Sunana Hussaini Gambo, ina amfani da wannan POS Crust domin bunƙasa kasuwanci na. A da ba ni da shi abubuwan ba sa tafiya yadda nake so, amma bayan na same shi abubuwa sun ci gaba da bunƙasa musamman saboda cashless issue. Ina samun amfani da shi sosai fiye da da.
Sunana Abdulhadi Aliyu, ina amfani da POS na Crust kuma ina jin daɗin amfani da shi saboda ya taimaka wajen haɓaka kasuwanci na. Wassalam.
My name is Tina Anavshi. I'm from Koro local government, a farmer. Crust Microfinance Bank has encouraged us how we can do transaction in our doorsteps. By that, it's not necessary that we must travel to the town to go and do transaction. So it's trying to reach us at the grassroots. So that is very impressive, and how we are going to create that bridge in financial inclusion. And in my business as a farmer, today, because with the Crust Microfinance Bank and the Tribe Agric, we can able to get loan that we are going to improve our farming system. I believe with the Tribe Agric, I can be a big farmer, that we are going to feed Nigeria and feed Africa at large.
And today it's been a success. We so far worked with over 125,000 farmers who now all have national identities, either the NIN or the BVN, across almost every state in Nigeria. And now these farmers have begun to unlock financing. So at the moment we have 2 banks who have lent hundreds of thousands of dollars to the farmers, and I'm sure this is going to scale to millions. So thank you, Heifer. Thanks for the good work on behalf of our farmers.